This time is a good thing, and especially we didn't really start well in the one-day series, but we came back really well in the third one-days and T20s. First couple of games were amazing, and very happy to have won this series.
When you have those two losses when we have at the start of the tour, I think it was a very great heart shown by everyone, and the way we have come back and the way we are back to the tour, and everyone is performing and everyone is in a great mindset even after having a very challenging IPL. I think having 2.5 months out of your home and then spending time in the bubble and then coming here, I think it's a really challenging stuff, but we are really good as a team, and you can see that in the ground as well. So I'm really happy that we have won the T20 series.
They were playing really well in the one-day series, but I think we came back really well in the T20. Guys have done really well, especially man of the series Hardik and Natarajan from the bowlers have done really well this season. And looking forward to some more games now, and really proud to go back on a winning note from here.
I mean, obviously this award will, if I wanted to dedicate it, will go to my son, obviously, and my family back home, which from Natasha, Kunal, Banku, my mother, my father, everyone, because they've been a great support to me throughout. And as we said, it has been absolutely team performance, and I'm just happy to see that we have won a series where we have not seen individual brilliance. We have seen multiple people stepping up in different situations, especially mentioned to Natarajan as well, coming from that kind of lots of hardship has gone, and it has been a fantastic journey. Lots of inspiration people can get it from him, that someone coming from where he has come has still achieved lots of brilliance in this series, and it can show that anyone can do anything if you just believe in yourself.
सबने कंट्रीब्यूट किया, जिस मैचेस में हम जीते सब सारे बॉलर ने कंट्रीब्यूट किया, फिर हमारी बैटिंग बहुत अच्छा किया, तो कैरेक्टर दिखाता है कि जब आप टीम हार रही होती है फिर वहाँ से जीतती है, तो ये कैरेक्टर दिखाता है टीम का, एंड सभी को कहूँगा वेरी वेल डन ऑन दिस T20 win.
It's never easy coming to Australia, losing 2 games, and having to make a comeback like that. What we spoke after the first 2 one-days was exactly that we're going to treat the rest of the 4 games as a new series and try and win those 4 games, and exactly what we as a team and everybody agreed on, and everybody put up great performances on the field. This tour, especially these white ball T20 and 50 overs format, has been such a learning curve for all of us. I mean, we were challenged in every game. It's important that we stick together as a group and keep believing in each other, and this tour has done exactly that for us as a group, and we hope that we can improve and keep getting better as individuals and also as a team.